So right now, guys, I'm currently on the White Rocks Trail. It's part of the Appalachian Trail. It's in Boiling Springs, PA. It's a nice morning. We'll see if we can make it by sunrise. So that was definitely an awesome drone flight, and the fall colors were actually a lot better than I thought here. I am up in the Macho State Forest. I think I'm in the Macho State Forest. Either way, I'm on the Appalachian Trail, so it's a little higher elevation. This climb was about 600 foot of elevation gain, and it wasn't bad at all. I mean, the boulders definitely kill your calves a little bit, but nonetheless, this is definitely an awesome place to check out on the Appalachian Trail. Guys, as you can see, this trail is just absolutely gorgeous. This is easily one of my favorite trails now around here. I will definitely be coming back. So this trail here is the White Rocks Trail on the Appalachian Trail, and I've been wanting to come here since we moved to PA. It's only 22 minutes away from my apartment, which it's amazing how I haven't been here yet, but that was such a super fun hike. It's about 3 miles total in and out, and I can't believe how breathtaking these views are.